Hi there, this is Matt from Davies Turner. This is a brief overview video of our road export quotes and the book now function on there. Okay, so following on from your initial inquiry with us, you would have received your quote on email from a member of our Davies Turner team. As you can see here, I've done a test one to myself for a quote going to Germany. Scrolling through the email, you get a confirmation of the details about the quote reference number, how long it's valid for, where it's going from, where it's going to, along with the description and dimensions, weight of the goods. If you scroll down to the bottom of the email, you will see the price and also the book now button. Clicking on the button will take you to a web page where you can start building in the details and raise the booking. So as you can see here, it's brought through the basic details of the quote down here. You'll be required to put in a goods description. We recommend putting in as good a description as possible. So perhaps if you are exporting car parts, maybe a specific part of the car, so car exhausts, as well as a customs value. Over the right hand side here, you'll see the details of your account of which you'll be billed with your EORI number, and you will be required to put in a reference number of yours. Once you're happy with the details, you can proceed with the booking. The next screen is all about confirming the collection details. On the top left here, you'll see a calendar where you can confirm your preferred collection date, which defaults to the next day. If you'd like a same-day collection or already have confirmed the same-day collection, please contact your Davies Turner contact who can arrange this for you manually once you've made the booking. Underneath is confirming the collection details. In this drop down here, it will show the collection addresses that we have stored against your company. Selecting one of these will populate the collection address, opening times, and any special requirements we have stored against your address. We'd also require some contact information for the collection, a telephone number, and any special instructions you'd like to provide. There's also tick boxes for the driver to call ahead, or if they require some paperwork. So I'll go in and populate this now, and I'll move on to the next screen. The next screen is all about confirming the delivery details. Based on the information you gave us at your quote request, we would have the country of destination and the delivery postcode pre-populated. You'd just be required to put in the address details, as well as the EORI number for the delivery point. We'd also require some contact information for delivery, name, telephone number, email, and again, similar to the booking, if there's any special instructions or a tail lift required or a booked-in delivery, as well as confirming the opening times for delivery. Once you've filled in the details and are happy, you can move on to the next screen. This will be asking you whether you'd like to insure the shipment. You've got a yes or no option here. In this example, I'll say yes. Clicking this will give you a drop down where you just need to select a description of the goods. In this example, I'll do general cargo and hazardous cargo. Once you've done that, you just need to input a value and press get rate. This will calculate your premium for you. So as you can see, the quote was £137 and the insurance premium is £10, and this is going to be my new price for the shipment. Again, once you're happy, you can click next. The next screen will be all about uploading your documents. At the top here, you'll see a drop down of the different document types you can upload: commercial invoice, other documents, packing list, and supplies paperwork. In my example, I'll upload an invoice and a packing list. You can do this by selecting the files themselves through your browser, or you can actually drag and drop the file into this area here. This will confirm what you've uploaded. You can also delete them, and underneath there's just a little note about the different types of documents you're able to upload. Once you're happy, again, you can press next. This will take you through to the review and book screen where you can see all the details that you've put for your booking. If you scroll down, you can see all the details, and a grey button on the right hand side will allow you to go back and edit any that are applicable. There's also just two tick boxes down the bottom to declare the goods are non-hazardous if they are, and just to say that you've read and accepted the terms and conditions. The book now button at the bottom will both arrange a collection with our transport team and also raise the booking on our system to get the shipment moving for you. You'll get taken to a page like this just to say the booking has been processed okay, and you'll also receive a email confirmation saying the book has been processed. This will have the basic details on there, a link for the tracking, and also a link for some barcodes, which we would highly recommend printing off and sticking on your goods. You'll also receive an email with the confirmation insurance with a PDF certificate on there saying what's insured and a couple of the details on there. Many thanks for watching, and if you have any inquiries, please contact your local Davies Turner office.